Exercise 15.1. Here question number 1. Identify the nets which can be used to make cubes. Cut out copies of the nets and try it.
See, this is the net of first part. If you fold this in this manner and then this side, then this side and then this side, here we see that we are unable to make a cube. It means this is not the net of cube. Then come to second part. See, this is the net of second part. If you fold it, then see, here fold it, then from here, then from back side, then from here, and then from the top, you see a cube is formed. See here. Here if you fold it, then you will get a closed cube. See, like this. It is a closed cube. It means this is the net of a cube. Then come to third part. See, this is the net of third part. If you fold it from here, then from here, then from here, and then from here, and from here. See, fold it and join it. Here again, you will get a cube. It is a closed cube. See, it means this is the net of a cube. Then come to fourth part. This is your net of fourth part. Here, fold it from here, then from here, and then from here, and then from here, and last from here, and see, here you are able to make a closed cube. See, from all over we are able to make a cube. It means this is the net of a cube. Then come to fifth part. This is your net in this form. Now fold it from here, then from here, then from here, then from here, and again from here, and fold it. See what happens. Here we are unable to make it a cube because here it is open. It means this is not a net of cube. Then come to sixth part. This is your net of sixth part. Again fold it from here, then from here, then from here, then from here, and from here, and then hold it. See what happens. Here see, you will get a closed cube. See, it means this is a net of cube.
Come to next. Here say question number 2. Dice are cubes with dots on each face. Opposite face of a die always have a total of 7 dots in them. 7 dots on them. Here are two nets to make the dice, that is cube. The numbers inserted in such a square indicate the number of dots in that box. Here you have to write number so that their opposite faces, the sum of opposite faces is 7. Here, say first figure, in first figure, here it is the top, here we write 1 and bottom is 6. What is the sum of 1 and 6? It is 7. Now here, this side will be opposite. Here we write 3. 3 plus 4, it is 7. And this side will be opposite to each other. To this side, so 5 plus 2, it is 7. Now come to second figure. Here what is given to you? Here it is 1, 2, 3. Here what will come? So that the opposite sides, the sum of opposite sides becomes 7. Here it is 2, opposite face will be this one. It should be 5 because 5 plus 2, it is 7. Now this is 1. What is the opposite face of this? This will be this one. Here we should write 6 so that 6 plus 1, it becomes 7. And here we should write 4. Opposite side will be this one. 4 plus 3, it is 7. So this is your answers. Come to next. Question number 3. Can this be a net for a die? Explain your answer. Here see solution. Here see what is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here if you see the opposite faces, here opposite faces will be 1 and 4. Here their sum is 5, which is less than 7. And if you see next face, opposite face, that is 3 and 6, their sum is 9, which is greater than 7. So it is not a net. Here your answer is no, because one pair of opposite faces will have one and 4 on them, whose total is which is not equivalent to 7, and another pair of opposite faces have 3 and 6 on them, whose total is 9. which is not equivalent to 7. Now come to next. Question number 4. Here is an incomplete net for making a cube. Complete it in at least 2 different ways. Remember that a cube has 6 faces. How many are there in the net here? Give 2 separate diagrams. If you like, you may use a squared sheet for any manipulation. Here let us draw the net of a cube in 2 different ways. This is given to you. You can add one side here and 2 sides below it. This is your net, and second net will be it will be like this. We can draw like this. These are the 2 nets. Now come to next. See question number 5. Match the nets with appropriate solids. Here nets are given to you. You have to match it. Here it is a cube. A second part, then cylinder. Cylinder, it is equivalent to third part. Then cone. Cone is equivalent to fourth. And pyramid, it is equivalent to fifth part. Thank you.